MCHI में आके बहुत ही अच्छा लग रहा है. That is good plan after COVID situations 2 years. So we are happy with this. Now we are expecting more business from this event.
MCHI, and we are very happy that they've done this Thana initiative. It gives us a chance to meet these amazing developers and gives us a chance to interact with the procurement department also.
And also there are vendors who are offering their products to, who are meeting new developers, who are getting new prospect clients, and also now Thane has a high potential.
Participate in MCHI, that's Thana wing. It's a vendor to builder meet. It's a nice experience. It's a unique experience, and we expecting some good orders from here.
So this event has always been such a positively way where our developers come and our ancillary members come under one roof for business, purely a business interaction meet, where being an ancillary member they get to know new developer members who are in the Thane unit.
So we have in this event we have around 15 brands, 15 allied industry who are participating for this event, and we have around 85 developers and their purchase heads for this event.
Actually, this wouldn't have been possible without the leadership of Mr. Jitu Mehta.
And MCHI has given a very good platform where we are meeting the developers. We are focusing on the product, and the conference is very one-to-one discussion. It's a very good platform, and we can get us so many leads from MCH.
Very happy to see all the builders turn up and have a very good interaction with them. In fact, this is our 5th year of association with the MCHI team, and every year, the association keeps on getting stronger and stronger, and we just hope that it continues. Today, as you can see, we have our complete range of products, wherein we have the sleek kitchens and wardrobes and the hardware setup, as well as we have the bath fittings, we have the bath sins and the royal display setup for us, and we just hope that we are able to meet the builders and take this association even better.
Thanks to MCHI team for giving us a participation in this great event. We are from Fujitec. Fujitec is a Japanese brand, elevator brand, one of the largest Japanese elevator brand.
We are been associated with MCHI from many years. We are participating with MCHI in all their events across India. This is the first time that we are participating for Thana event. It's really indeed a very good event, and we got a very good platform to portray our products. In fact, we have come up with the lighting products also, which was there with the company from last 10 years.